Okay, thank you po, thank you. Okay, let's start the ball game. Double between jersey number 8 and jersey number 9. Tap. Good, nice tap. And possession. Para sa jersey number 8 now, pass to number 9, yes! First basket! Ang number 9 para. Ito naman si number 9, cross pass. Gandang pass, assist to number 9, Garcia! Second chance points, Garcia pa rin! Third natin tayo. 4-0 pa rin tayo. Garcia now. Hermes. And still. Number 11. Putback. 6-2 natin tayo. Jersey number 8 ngayon, Garcia. Ay, maling pasa. Eto na. Pagkakataon. Ayun, may foul ba? Basket na sa foul. And number 54. Pass break to jersey number 6. Wala. Getting his own miss. Yes, sila. Nakakompleto. At isa na lang ang alamangan. Ito puti. Garcia. Atake. Garcia pa rin. Nice defense. Good po yan. Nag-foul po yung bola. Ayun. Gandang assist naman.
Hindi ba ako sa sendong uniform?
Jersey number 88. Nothing but the bottom of the net. 10-5. Another miss. Isa pa. Tatagpasa. Nice assist. By jersey number 54. Jersey number 17 pa rin. So Garcia. Back to 17. Nice shot. Good. Saktong-sakto, sir. 49 is the count. Number 9. Court to court. Isa ba? Pasok. 28. To jersey number 9. Using the glass. Wala. Put back. Number 11. Number 88. Pasok na naman. Dangerous pass. Ito na. Garcia. Nice shot rin. Ako, double digits ka. Nice shot. Nice assist by Vasco. Another basket. Mendoza last block. Pasok sa naman. Yes, another basket. Time out mga basket. Time out. 22-15 is the count. Yep.
Atay!
Yan! Pasok na pasok. Doble 8. Bounce pass to Garcia. Tandang assistant. Vasco, cross pass kay Lim. Shot clock is 10. Yun, finally. Hey! Ball shot. Uwali. Nice steal by Lim. Ayun na. Nice assist. Yes. Time out. Shot clock is 10. Isa pa. One more shot. Pasok. Jersey number 18, Jerome. Nice shot. Balik sa 18. Nice shot! Bumawi. Si Sterling. To Jeff. Para sa 3-point line. Bam! Hey! One shot. 3-point shot. Yes! Back to back yan para kay Jeff. Jiron. Bumawi. Pinawi naman kagad, oh. Nice assist by Linto. Jeff. Garcia. Tusariana. Pasok na naman. Palitan lang yan. Garcia. Zero again. Naku, maling pasa. Ayun na. All alone basket. Right jersey number 9. Nice nila. Good. Putback number 5. Talaga. Lucky bounce. Talagang may salong buenas itong puti. Yung number 12, putback. Number 8. Garcia again. Jeron. 3-point shots. Another basket. Iba, open basket. Nice game, nice game. Nakauna ng panalo. I think team na 1. Congratulations para sa inyong opening game.
Best player, sir.
Okay, pagkali na po.
So we're excited in the next games. So dun sa mga magiging kalaban, let's prepare everyone. So yun.
Okay, Doc, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Best player, Doc Jericho.
Thank you.